Hey, what's up guys, this is Roy and welcome to another unboxing video. And today we're going to unbox this box, and inside this box we have two face shield which I purchased from Amazon India. So guys, let's cut this box open and let's see what's inside. The price written 449, but I got it to around 749. Two of this. This is one. This is another one. Now as you see guys, it's pretty good quality. This face shield is from, as you see here at the bend, here you see this side have a foam made out of I think fiber or plastic. It's bent, it's pretty good quality. It's not going to break. And here I have generic 50 rupees face shield that available on local market. It's made out of completely flimsy plastic. You see plastic, and it's easily get scratched out. So on Amazon, its price, two of this price is around 250 rupees, and this face shield, two of this price is 749 rupees. I'll leave a link of this face shield if you guys interested to buy one of these. This face shield quality is bad. I don't recommend you guys buy any one of this. And on this face shield, I just wear you guys and show you how it looks. So this face shield look like this. It's not comfortable, and if you guys live in a humid environment, this kind of face shield accumulate a lot of moisture on this face shield, and the visibility drop a lot. And here as you see guys, there is a naked foam that's glued with this face shield here. So what happened, within few uses this foam get unglued from this face shield. So this is the drawback, and you cannot adjust this. On the other hand, this is a premium quality face shield, and here we have this is the foam which is fully covered by black cloth, and you guys can change this back strap. If this strap become loose, you can tighten it easily. Now let's wear it. Wow, as you see guys, it's not accumulate any kind of moisture on this part here. As I am living in Kolkata, here today is near about 90% humidity. Still I am wearing this face shield comfortably. So on this corona pandemic, it's better to be safe rather than sorrow. So I try to wear it whenever I go to market and try to protect myself from getting infected by the coronavirus. So guys, hope you like this unboxing video, and if you guys have any question, any suggestion, let me know in the comment section below. I definitely answer every one of your questions. So that's being said, my name is RoyTecTips signing out. I will meet you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.